In this video, I will show to you how to make PCB printed circuit board. I did this video who did not have this kind of workshop, to make aware of them. This video dedicated to all ECE students. Pause the video here and read all the basic content related or used for these. This software link is provided in description. Open that link and click on download and install that in your device. This is the outlay of a PCB software. Set grid size. Select the PCB components in gallery. Click on the circuit named icon to draw the outline of circuit. Distance between 2 points is 1 inch, so draw your circuit for your requirement. Pick all your required components from the PCB component gallery. Then adjust all components in their respective places in the circuit, based on your design. Then draw the tracks and connect them, according to your design. Then you can set to different types of styles you require. At the time of printing of that layout it should be an artwork. Take the filter screen in your required size. Apply the chemicals uniformly on the screen. It should be dry without sticky. Then place the printed circuit design paper on the screen. Make sure it should not move. Take one fluorescent lamp. Place the total screen on that light for 1 to 2 minutes, then the circuit printed on the screen. And set that screen or clamp at constant place. Then take the copper clad and keep it below the screen. Cover the remaining part of the screen other than circuit design with tape. Then apply the paint from the top of the screen. You get the circuit design on the copper clad. So don't watch and leave this here. Make your friends to know about these, so share this video with your friends.
Hey there, you never miss any new update. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hello viewers, you can watch my videos by search youtube.com/Chakravarthi Technology, and you can also watch my videos by facebook.com/Chakravarthi Technology.